Welcome back to Trinity Next. I'm Kim. I'm Edith, and I've got Birchbox, which our boxes are coming really early this month, I feel like. And it does say the Courageous Edith on the front, but I think they've used that one before, as I was telling Kim.
Like it's an old.
And this one, what we like about Birchbox is you can either choose a sample if you make it on time, or and I was getting all anxious too because I was trying to like get this certain box, and it was like, oh, you can't do it till the 27th of December, and I think it was like the 24th or something. And so I was like, open. Oh, this is weird. It's one of those ones that has that's what it looks like. Those pull-out drawers. So kind of cute. The card. I'll show that to you guys. So this, I think I'm pretty sure I know what comes in it because I wanted this box. Oh, there you are.
Do you want me to read that or no?
Sure.
Well, if you didn't see it, says Birchbox tip number 23. It's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin.
That's what I need to do now. But that's what it looks like, all the good stuff in it. And then, I don't know if you want to read what these are about. I'll pull out, this is probably the reason I wanted it the most. It's Hush and Hush, Mind Your Mind, Hyper Concentrated, I don't know how to say this, nutraceutical for inner balance and restful sleep. Nutraceutical.
It says these melatonin-free capsules contain a blend of natural sleep aids that relax your mind and body, helping you fall and stay asleep. Use is to take 1 to 2 capsules at night, an hour before bed. Don't exceed 2 capsules in 24 hours.
I could do 1 and 1. I usually don't like sleeping pills because I feel like I don't sleep good, but like maybe I could take one tonight and let you guys know how it is.
And that was a bonus, I guess. So.
Oh, okay. This is Starry Eyes, the World's Kindest Eye Mask, Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask. And I thought it comes with several, but you can...
It says this self-heating eye mask reduces puffiness and eases tension, leaving your eye area refreshed. The use is to pull the loops around your ears. It will start warming in 30 seconds. Wear for 20 minutes.
I thought it comes with several, but maybe I'm tripping. Maybe there's 2 in there. I don't know, but if they were sure, so I'm not dropping everything. This is Bara, if I'm saying that, coconut hand and nail balm.
I know it says Elite or something, or Elite or something. This moisturizing balm quickly absorbs into nails and cuticles to heal and hydrate skin.
That's close enough. I just thought, yeah, I don't know, I need stuff for my nails, so I thought that was cool.
Is that supposed to be like that? No, I guess it doesn't matter.
I don't know, it looks a little opened. And then this is the Pear Pie Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream.
And it says this repairing daily moisturizer has natural skin soothing agents so that you get a calmer complexion with less redness. You would use it in the morning after cleansing and treating, massage into face and neck, following with SPF. Which
I like. I don't think that'll cover my redness enough, but I got it thinking it might. That's what I was hoping for, because without makeup, I'm really red. This is a Cures Welcome to Skin Wellness Seriously Soothing Biocellulose Mask.
And it says this sheet mask made from fermented coconut is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid that soothes your skin. Use after cleansing, fit the mask to your face and wear for 15 minutes, then remove and discard. Massage remaining elixir into skin.
I almost want to put it in a giveaway just because even though you can just like rub it in, I'm like, I have so many masks I'm just like not even using. And the last one I have here is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works.
And it says this calming pillow spray is made of a blend of lavender and chamomile that's clinically proven to help you fall asleep faster and get a good night's rest. Spray onto your pillow before bed and breathe in the heavenly scent. I have a huge one by my bed.
I have a couple of these, and I'm hoarding them. I think I've said before in videos. Like I don't even know if I'll hardly use them because I don't want them to ever go away. But this box, like everything in it, unlike most boxes, I think for the most part, like I actually like everything. I want to use everything. But I know I have a box coming soon that a lot of stuff, except for one item, I'm gonna be putting in a giveaway for our next giveaway. So I'm like, so it's good we get so many items because that way there's more for you guys. If this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you know about all of our giveaways, like the current one we'll put down below. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.